What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. So for today, I'm putting in a sound system into my Subi. So I'll be showing you guys step by step on how I'm doing that. I got some of that. I'm pretty sure in my previous video you guys saw I didn't install these into my Android head unit, but I'll be doing that for today. Well, just one of them, just the one that controls the RCAs and for the subwoofer. So subwoofer choice, I chose Rockville 600 watt amp. I've seen a bunch of reviews on it. They said it's alright for how much it costs. It was $100. It comes with the amp already attached to it, and it's like a big round tube. So let me take this out the box. This is actually pretty big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, but pretty fucking big. So I decided to go with the 12. As you guys can see, I just thought a thin would be a 10 would be too small, but man, this thing is fucking massive compared to the trunk of my car. It's fucking tiny. But I don't know. I'll let you guys see and hear how it sounds. I know you're not gonna be able to hear it that well due to the fact that it's a video. I'm not sure the camera is gonna pick up all that. Pretty sure it's not. Let's see. It comes with different attachments so you can actually mount it, which is pretty cool. And it comes with a subwoofer control, like a knob, whether you want more bass or not. I'll be mounting this up somewhere. So I also have my power wires already, so I'll be putting this in. So I've taken these apart, these rails, because that's where I'm going to pass my wires, straight under. So it should relatively be the same for actually any car. Really, you just need to take off the panels and find a proper hole for the grommet. Let's see, let's go to my screwdriver. Oh, side one's always a bitch to take out, but I swear, let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay. So I got this bad boy right here. In tight places. Let's disconnect these real quick too. Case.
Hey!
Okay. Now I just need to find a proper place to wire this under here. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. So, just to let you guys know, I try to go through the grommet right here, but the way these Subarus are built, you would have to take off the whole dash and able to get through that portion. So I found a different way of doing it. Best way, I can't even go through here either, but the best way to do it is I pry my fender, took some bolts out my fender so I can get through there, get under there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, with the power wire, straight through where the door connects with the fender. It's gonna go through it, straight through that channel right there. Let's see, right there, where that cord is. It's gonna pass through there and it's gonna go straight through the fender. And from that point on, I'll wire it to the battery. So that's where I'm at currently. So let me do that and give you all the update. So here we go, guys. Right here, I got it through the fender. I'll be bolting this back on. I think I damaged this little spot from doing that. I have to clean that up later. So I got it through under there, as you can see. So now I'm just going to wire this just like that, cut a piece of that and attach it to that, and then get it to the positive. Always make sure you have a fuse, because that's gonna save your electrical system. Just this fuse. There we go, y'all. So I got it wired just like that, you know, with both ends. It comes with the little screw inside. Just twist those and get them buttoned up and just tuck it somewhere, you know. Don't need people all in your business like that, so you know, you tuck it. There you go. Pop the battery cover back on, and now I'll button up the fender. Let's open this door. Damn, deep scratch. And I'll just button this back up where it belongs, and we on our way. Let's fix some of the stuff in here. So yeah, right now I got the boost. Let me get that in focus. Boost wire and the power wire. This will tell you the subwoofer when to turn on whenever I have the radio on, so it doesn't drain out the battery. This is very important. So I'm gonna wire this. I'm gonna wire this also to long enough so it can go to the head unit, but this portion right here is going straight to the subwoofer base unit or whatever. Let's see. Make sure I have enough. Alright. There we go, yeah. The tucking process. Everything is all buttoned up in the back as well. I got it go across the seat. I want it to go across because I'm mounting it to that seat, most likely. And there it is right here in the back. Yep, buddy. Now, let's mount it. I was gonna plan on mounting it to the back of this seat, but it's not a board. So I guess I'll be using the floor mat. So I can mount it so it doesn't roll around. Which also is included, by the way. Alright guys, so I connect the power wire right here. If you have an aftermarket head unit, there'll be an amp connection. That's usually the power wire. That's what tells your, the remote wire. That's what tells your head unit the radio's on, so to give it juice. So you know what, guys? I forgot to plug in the RCA's, so I guess I'll be doing that. And so let me heat shrink that wire. There we go. Yeah, there we go. It's perfect. Now let me get the RCA connections back there and wire the RCAs. I'll use the same path that I was using for the positive power and the remote wire and the boost power. And I also mounted the boost limiter or volume, whatever the hell you want to call this. I don't know what it is. Wire right there, so there we go. Here we go, guys. So I got this set up like that. Now I'm going to add the subwoofer. First I'm gonna mount it and put it in the location I need it, and then we can get this party started. We got everything hooked up. Got the power, the ground, RCA, plug, the 12 volt constant, and got the subwoofer wire. And now just need to hook up the ground and turn on the radio. And that should be that. So it's the next morning, guys. So I remember how I had this right here on the corner. I chose to leave it in the center instead because, you know, it's better. So I mount it with the straps that they're given. It's pretty easy. They have like, what, 8 screws and these little tabs. You just put them through and then slap the strap through and then just strap this up. So it's pretty sturdy. I like this style. And also for all the connections I plugged in, I tuned these a little bit to my specifics to how I want it. So, you know, it sounds pretty good. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Maybe I should have got a 10 instead, but got a 12, so it takes most of my trunk space because GR. But that's cool. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is probably upgrade the speakers, because stock Subi speakers, they're not the greatest at all, and they blow out pretty easy. They can't take that much power, you know, they're trash. So I'll be changing those soon. So thanks for watching, guys, and I really appreciate it. So like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.
Dom 5280.